Hello students, now we are going to the topic large numbers, that is your first lesson. So let's see what are large numbers and the concept in it. So in your page number 70 of your book, you are having the first bit. What is that? Tick the smallest number and circle the greatest number in each set. Tick the smallest number and circle the greatest number in each set. What is this tick mark? What you have to tick the smallest number. You have to tick the smallest number, circle, round it like this. Circle the greatest number. Don't tick the greatest number. You have to circle the greatest number and tick the smallest number. Okay? Don't confuse. So in that first one, A, what is that? 2,36,745. This is one number. Next one is 2,36,000. 1 minute. Lakh 36,745. First one. Next one, 2,36,754. Next one, 2,63,754. Next one, 2,36,574. 2,63,745. This is the first one. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to tick the smallest number. Smallest number. Circle for greatest number. Remember this. Okay. First one is 2,36,745. Next one is 2,36,754. Clear? 2,63,754, 2,36,574, and last one is 2,63,745. Among these, what you have to do now? You have to tick the smallest number. What is the smallest number in this? He has already given. This is the greatest number, third one. This one he has already given. From next you have to do. This is the smallest number and this is the greatest number. How? How this is the greatest number and how this is the smallest number? Let's see. 2,36,745. This is one number. 2,36,754. This is one number. 2,63,754. This is 2,36,000. 2,36,000. 2,63,000. 2,36,000. 2,63,000. Among these four numbers, 1, 2. So among all these numbers, what you are having? 36. 2,36,000 you are getting how many times? 3 times. 2,36,700 change. 2,36,754. 2,36,574. So which one is greater? 2,36,000 is greater or 2,63,000 is greater? Which one? This one is less than this one, so this one is greater. What? 2,63,000 is greater. I will say it clearly. This is already given, but I am explaining carefully. 2,63,754, 2,63,745. These are in this range, 2,63,000 range and 2,63,000 range. These both are in different range and these three are in different range. Among this one, so now we will accept that 2,63,700 change is less than this one, means this one is greater. 2,63,700 something is greater than this one. So among these three, nothing greater is there. So in these two only you will find the greatest number. What is that? 2,63,000, 2,63,000. Same. 754, 745. Here it is changing. In these three digits only change is there. These two places are same. So what you have to do? You have to check 754 is greater or 745 is greater. This one is greater. So this one is the largest number. Clear? That's why you have to circle this number. Next one. What is the lesser number? We got the greatest number. What is the less number? I mean smallest number. Smallest number is 2,36,000, 2,36,000. Among these three, what is the least number? Least number is 745, 754, 574. This number is least because these two are same. 2,36,000, 2,36,000, 2,36,000. No difference. But where is the difference? In these three digits. Last three digits only there is a change. So you have to check like that. So among these three, what we have to find now? Least number of all these numbers. This is the greatest of all these numbers and we have to find the least of all these numbers. For smallest number, what you have to do? Tick. This is the least number and this is the greatest number. Clear, students? Next one is B. What is B? Four lakh 89,265. Next one is 9,89,265. 3,89,265. 7,89,265. What is the last one? 5,89,265. Once again, see the numbers carefully. Is there anything in common? You have to see. What is the common? 89,265. 89,000, 89,000, 89,000, 89,000. These 5 digits are same. So what you have to find here? You have to find the greatest number. Among all these, what is the greatest number? Of course, 9 is the greatest number. So all these are common. 89,265 is the common number in all these. But what is the difference? 9 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Among all these, 9 lakhs, 89,265 is greater. This is the greatest number. What is the least number? If any digits are common, it is very easy to find out the least and the greatest number. So that's why I am telling this technique to you. So among all this, 5 lakh, 7 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 9 lakh is greater. Then what is the least one? 4, 3, 7, 5. Among this one is the least one. Smallest number tick and greatest number circle. Understood? 9,89,265 is the greatest number, whereas 3,89,265 is the least number, smallest number among these. So these are the answers. This is the greatest and this is the smallest. Next one, C. 7 lakh 31,000 587. 7 lakh 31,000 857. 7 lakh 31,000 578. 7 lakh 31,000 758. 7 lakh 31,000 785. Okay, in these 5 numbers, what is common? You have to see first, anything is common here. What is common? 7 lakh 31,000. 7 lakh 31,000. 7 lakh 31,000 is a common number. So what is the change? You are having change only in these 3 digits. Here, in these 3 digits only. $587. Okay, this 7,31,000 is common in all of these, but where is the change? In these 3 digits only. So you have to find the greatest one now. What is the greatest one? Leave this, 7,31,000 is a common. So what you have to do? You have to see in these 3 digits only anything greater is there or not. 587, 857, 578, 758, 785. 857 is the greatest number in all this. So this one is the greatest number because 7,31,000 is a common, but 857 is greater than 587, 578, all this. So ultimately 7,31,857 is the greatest number. Clear? Next, what is the least number, smallest number? See this, 587, 578, one is completed. Keep this aside and see the 4 numbers only. One is the greatest. See this 1, 2, 3, 4, these numbers, and you have to find out the least among these. What is the least? 587, 578, 758, 785. This is not the least. 758, 700 change, 758, 785, not the least. But what is the least? 587, 578. Because 500 plus some number, 500 change is less than 700. So see in these only. 578, 587. What is the least? This one is the least. Clear? Because 587 is greater than 578. Means 578 is less than 587. So this number will be the least. Clear? This is the trick. If any digits are common in all numbers, you have to find out this trick. You have to see in this way, or else you have to check the whole number. Next one. D. What are the digits? Let's see the number. 1,01,000 10. Okay, 1,01,000 101, 1,01,000 11, 1,01,000 1. Next number is 1,01,000 100. Once again see, 1,01,000 is common in everything, every number. See, 1,01,000 1,01,000 everything. Okay, what is the difference? These 3 digits only. The difference in all numbers is only in these 3 digits. 10, 101, 11, 100. What is the greatest number? So ultimately, as 1,01,000 is common in everything, 101 is the greatest number. So 1,01,101 is the greatest number. Next one, what is the least number? The difference is only in these 3 digits. So you have to see only in that 3 digits only. 10, keep this aside. 10, 11, 1, 001 means 1, 100. What is the least among all these? This one. So this number is the least number. Understood? Okay students, now we shall discuss the next one, E. 5,27,747. Next one, 5,29,747. 5,37,747. 5,77,747. Next one, 5,39,747. What you have to identify in this? First you have to check whether a number is common in all of this. Is there anything common in all these numbers? Yes. What is that? Is there anything common? Yes. 747. Before we have discussed, before there was a same number in lakhs and thousands position, but there was a difference in hundreds position, hundreds, ones, tens. In this position, in last 3 digits only we had a difference in before one, but now where is the difference? The difference is in, look at this carefully, 5 lakhs is common on all of this. 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs. So common things are 5 lakhs is common and this 747 is common. Where is the difference? Difference is in 1000 and 10,000 position only. At this place only we are having the difference. So what you have to do? You have to check which one is greatest and which one is the smallest. Among these, so keep this aside, 5 lakh and these positions, keep this aside, all are common. So you have to check the difference in these positions only, 29, 37, 39, 77. So look, which one is the smallest? 27, 29, 29,000, 37,000, 77,000, 39,000. Among all these, which one is the smallest? 27 is the smallest. Is it clear? All are, if we look at all these numbers are greater than 27 only, not less than, greater than 27,000. So this one is the smallest number. What is the greatest number? keep this aside. This is the smallest number. 29,000, 37,000, 77,000, 39,000. Among all these, 77,000 is the greatest number. So 5,77,747. This is the greatest number. This trick you have to follow if there is anything common, or else you have to check all the digits and then you have to recognize the smallest and greatest number. Clear? Next one, last one, F. Let's see the question. 5,68,308. Next one, 5,86,308. Next, 5,68,803. 5,86,803. Next, 6,58,803. So this one is somewhat tricky. So you have to check all the digits. Everything you have to check now. In this 5,68,308. Here what is there? 86,000. Jumbled. 5,68,308. 5,86,308. Here again 5,68,803. 5,86,803. 6,58,803. 5,555. So in all these 5 lakhs is common. 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs is common. But 6 lakhs is greater than all of this. So it is greater than 6 lakhs. 6,58,803. So this is in 6 lakhs. These all are in 5 lakhs. So obviously this will be the greater. Clear? Next, in among these all 5 lakhs change numbers, 5 lakhs plus numbers, 5,68,308, 86,308, 5,68,803, 5,86,803. Among all these, what is the least one? Is 68,000 greater or 86,000 greater? We have to find the smallest number now. So obviously 68,000 is smallest number. Between these 86, 68 is less than 86. Is it clear? So we have to find the least number. So we have to take 68,000 because it is smaller than 86. That one is completed. Next, among these three digits, 308 and 803. Here we are having 68 here. 5 lakhs is obviously common. 5,555. 68 and 86. 68 and 86. In these two, so this is the series 86, 86, 68, 86. Okay, we have concluded that this one is the smallest one. So this one is the smallest. I mean 68,000 is smaller than 86,000. But where is the difference? Here in this. So here 308 is there, here 803 is there. What is the least one? Obviously 308 is the least one. Clear? So 5,68,308. 5,68,308. This one is the least number. Clear? So you have to check in this manner. Everything you have to check. What is the common? You have to keep it aside and see the remaining digits. That's all.